What is up, my Bodyweight Warriors, and welcome back to another video. Today I am so excited to share with you something I've been waiting for months to share with you that we've been working on in the background, and that is the Bodyweight Warrior app. This app is basically a culmination of a lot of things that I have online already, but what it's doing is it's taking all of that information and putting it into one very accessible, very easy to use, very intuitive app that you can just download for free and get started with straight away. The link to the app is in the description down below. It will be on iOS and eventually on Android. We're just working on the final touches on the Android development, so that will be released at a later date. You can download the iOS one, the Apple one straight away. I'll update the link in the description for the Android one, so if you're watching this right away, just be patient with me, please. If not, the app might already be released already, and the link will be down below. This app was made possible by my friend Vince at Tribe. He reached out to me, gave me this idea, and we worked together to create this app, so a massive thank you to him. And that is also why it's not called the Bodyweight Warrior app, and you are looking at the bodyweight version of the app. Now, what this app is it's basically taking the Bodyweight Warrior ebook, that free ebook that I have, those three programs, the beginner program, the bodyweight skills program, and the mass gain program, and also those additional handstand and full body mobility routines. It's taking all of that information, it's putting it into one app, and it's making it very easy to use. It's got an incredible design, which, you know, I hate to say myself, I did help to design it, but it looks awesome. It's very intuitive, very simple to use. All of those workouts are just right there in the app. Each one of the exercises comes with a video. You just click on the exercise, you can watch the video. If you don't have much cellular data, you can download the entire workout or the entire program prior, so it's just there on your phone ready to use. And it basically will take you through a workout. You start the workout, it takes you through it, it shows you the exercises, it tells you how many sets. It even gives you a timer built in to tell you how long you should rest between those exercises, so you don't have to swap between your stopwatch app on your phone. It just makes life simpler. And that's what this app is all about. If you are a little bit confused about it, there is like a quick start guide which takes you through kind of what things are saying and how to use the app, or you can view the entire PDF right from in the app and go through anything you want in detail. The most exciting thing to me is that this is just the start of this app. This is the bare bones. This is what we wanted to put out so people could get started with bodyweight training straight away for free and start with a decent plan. There's no if, buts, whys, no asterisks, just get going, get stuck in and get training. And we're gonna be adding to this app in the coming months. We're gonna be building it out, we're gonna be making it bigger, better, and I cannot wait to share that with you. If in the meantime you do start using the app and maybe you really love it and you want to let us know, or maybe there's some issues you find with it and you equally want to let us know, then please do so. You can use the in-app leave feedback thing. I would really greatly appreciate any feedback you have. And yeah, I'm just really pumped to be able to release this to everyone out there. I know there's a lot of people who use the ebook, or there's a lot of people who download the ebook, and to have this, to have such an accessible source of information that's free as well. Yeah. So if you are already or interested in the Bodyweight Warrior app and that Bodyweight Warrior ebook, make sure you download the damn app and give it a go. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on this. If you just enjoyed this video, if you're psyched for the app, psyched for the future content that's going to be on there, hit that thumbs up button and support the channel. Right next to it is that subscribe button as well if you want to join the Bodyweight Warrior tribe and don't miss out any more future goodness. But that has been it for this week, guys. I'll catch you in the next episode. Have a strong week and peace.